ComfyUI is an open source program that allows users to create images from text prompts using a node-based interface. It's one of the most popular uh, application to generate images, and you can use local models and you can generate your images locally. It's very flexible and one of the most popular image generation application. So today I got a mail from ComfyUI that they released the ComfyUI Desktop version. Before it was web-based, so you need to install it and you need to run it in a web interface. But now they make a desktop interface. So today we'll go and check that. And this is my first time I will install ComfyUI Desktop. So let's go and welcome to Tech Jotters. So let's start. Here is the mail I got from ComfyUI that it's released its ComfyUI Desktop. So let's download it. This is the first time I'm actually downloading this. So it's downloaded here. So let's open it. Let's install. So I'm using RTX 4080 Super NVIDIA graphics card and my NVIDIA GPU driver is installed. I didn't install any CUDA or CUDNN, just the latest driver is installed. And here, after double clicking the ComfyUI, it shows this one. So let's get started and choose the installation location. Okay, I need to choose the installation locations. So ComfyUI's user data will be in this documentos drive. Okay, that's fine. Let's do that. And no, I don't have installed anything. It's a new Windows installation. So let's put next, automatic update. I am just enable this, next install. You definitely can send them the, different information so that they can improve their interface and everything. So let's see. The installation is already started. So let's wait and see what will happen. Okay, so our ComfyUI is here. It started and it's installed successfully. So that's great. We need models. Okay. So let's check everything here. So here you can see the workflow. You can open workflow. You can export, save as. Here is the node libraries and here is the queue. Here you can see the checkpoints and everything. And here you can browse the workflow. So everything is here. And here is the query option. So let's check everything. So you can hide and show your settings from here. Edit. So it is actually fully working one. So the thing is, what I actually realized that the ComfyUI manager is not installed yet. Okay, that's fine. No problem with that. Here is the line graph. Here is, you can see all the different settings here. ComfyUI Desktop. And you can put, if you have any extra arguments, you can put it here. You have key bindings here and about. So everything is great. It actually did everything. Okay, now let's check where is the model folders. As you saw before, I installed my user information is on the documents folder. So let's go documents and you can see the ComfyUI is here. So let's go inside ComfyUI and you can see that there is models. Everything is here. So you can actually use the models. So before doing anything, I will download a ComfyUI model and I will try to run it. So let's go for that. let's close ComfyUI first and go here. Let's search. So I logged in here. So let's search for the models, and I will go with SD3. So here is the Stable Diffusion 3.5 large. So let's go there and download the file from here. So let's first download the workflow from here. Okay, and let's download the file. So here is the file. It's big, 16.5. So let's download it. Let's download the way, and also let's download the text encoder. So here you can see all the text encoders. So I will download clip G, clip L, and as well as the FP8 version. Okay, so let's download everything. So here is the downloads, and I will fast forward so that you don't need to wait for the downloads. Okay, our models are downloaded. So let's open the download folder, and also let's open the ComfyUI folder. It's on the document I showed you here in ComfyUI. So let's go to the models and let's put all the model to its designated folder. Okay, so first of all, we'll take this model. It's a checkpoint. So let's put it to the checkpoints. Great. Now these are the clips. So let's cut it and put it to the clips. Fine. Now let's took this one. This is way. So let's go to the way and paste it here. Everything is fine. And now let's go to the ComfyUI again. And if you'll see here, this is the custom node. So let's go inside it. I want to install ComfyUI Manager. So let's try it. Okay. As I told you, this is the first time I installed the ComfyUI Desktop. So I need to also check a lot of things. So first let's search for ComfyUI Manager. And here is the ComfyUI Manager. Let's copy the code and go to the custom nodes directory. Right click here, open in terminal. I'm using the PowerShell 7.4.6. So let's use git clone and paste the URL I copied from ComfyUI Manager. Enter, and it shows git is not recognized. Okay, so I already installed git. It's not showing here. So let's first install git. Okay. Git for Windows, download. And here it is. It's downloading the git for Windows. So let's install it first. I always like to put this so it'll show in the terminal, Windows terminal. Next, and everything is default. I will not change anything. Okay, so everything is done. Let's copy the code again here, and let's go to the ComfyUI custom nodes directory. Right click here, open in terminal, and let's run it again. Git clone, and then the URL, and it's cloning. That's perfect. So in the custom nodes, we put the ComfyUI manager. So let's close it, close everything so that we can run it. Okay. So here I'm running ComfyUI. Let's see what will happen here. Okay. So good. And you can see the ComfyUI manager is here. So we are successful. If you click here, you can actually do a lot of things. You can install missing custom nodes. You can download models from here. So it's really good thing. So let's close it, and our next part is, let's we downloaded the workflow for SD3. So let's try to open it. So here, let's open, and it's saved on the download directory here. So let's open it. So it's downloaded. Good. So now we need to put all the checkpoints name and everything here. So let's click here, and it's already found this. So we need to find the clip G here, and let's check G, and here L, and here we need to put the uh, text T5XXL. That's fine. Everything is fine. So let's make it a little bit smaller so that we can get see them, because they're very far away, so it's really hard to see what is going on. Let's put it here because I will not change anything, so that's fine for me. I want to put everything in a single window. Everything is here. Great. Now I can put it here, so we can actually put it in, we can see everything, right? So here is already a prompt is here, so let's run it from here. So here you can see the green things. That means it's actually running. So it will run 40 steps. You can see on the left side here it says 63% completed. How much completed? It shows that. I'm not sure what is 77%. So let's wait and we can definitely find what is 77%. Okay. So the image is generated and it's perfect. I really like this picture. So here is the thing. You can actually see your old workflow here, your new workflow, and you can put your workflows here. It will be in tabbed way, and it looks almost same as the web UI, but now it's a desktop application and you don't need to do anything. I told you, I showed you actually, just double click it and you can install everything here. So let's go and check ComfyUI Desktop website. So here you can actually put your email address and they will send you, you will put your email address here and join to the wait list, and you will send you the link to download it. So it's really nice and great. I really like this desktop version. So hopefully when you will get this access, you can use it, and it's pretty much simple, pretty much same as the web UI version, but now it's a desktop version and you don't need to do anything. Just I installed the manager in a manual way. If you don't need it, you don't need to install it. That's it. And everything is there, and you can let's check another prompt. I'm just trying to build make a picture of a beautiful village with mountains, lakes, and wildflowers all around. Mystic light, mystic dreamy light. Let's check it. It should generate a beautiful picture. So let's run the queue. And as you can see, this part is already loaded, so it will not take any time now. It's just started from here. So, oh, that's beautiful. It's a beautiful picture. I really like this picture, and uh, you can see here, you can toggle to the theme light mode or dark mode. So everything is here. Everything is almost like the web UI, but it's a desktop version, so it'll be much easier for all the users. So hopefully you like this video. This is the first time I checked ComfyUI Desktop version. I just get the mail and download it, and I decide to show you my first experience because I just installed it and this is my first time. So I made some mistakes. So you can also see that. So hopefully you will like this video. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It'll be a great help for my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day.